This was the EIDM Fashion Business Summer Program. It all started on Welcome Day, where students from different countries met for the very first time. From there, they explored the fashion industry through hands-on experiences. They learned the art of street-style photography before taking their cameras to the streets of Gran Via and Malasaña. They discovered the history of fashion at Madrid's Museo del Traje, explored the future of retail at Wow Concept, and stepped inside the atelier of renowned designer Juan Duyos to see how a fashion house operates behind the scenes. They also learned from industry professionals like La Percha Media, gaining insights into fashion communication and content creation. But the biggest challenge was still ahead. Throughout the week, they developed their own fashion brands inspired by Spain, creating a complete marketing and business plan before presenting their final project at Tinto y Tostado. And by the end of the week, they left with much more than new knowledge. They left with unforgettable memories, new friendships, and an international experience that will stay with them long after the summer ends. See you next summer at EIDM.